你可能會問點解我會落得如此地步？故事就要講返去。話說上年11月，我同我嘅老 best 一齊去咗巴黎旅行。我哋當時報咗一個衝浪班，點知我一試就愛上。你睇我笑得幾開心。返到香港隔咗2個月，我就結咗婚。估下我哋去邊度 honeymoon？ 係，冇錯，事隔2個月，我又再返到嚟巴黎。為咗確認我對衝浪嘅熱愛係真愛定係過眼雲煙，我又報咗一個衝浪班。結果係真愛啊！之後心心念念咗幾個月，我決定報一個衝浪營，認真學衝浪。入到嚟就會見到個 pool and bar area， 嗰度嘅 staff 就 welcome 我哋，同埋簡單介紹下個 campsite。穿過啲房，我哋就會去到 cafe 嘅 area。不過我唔記得咗影，但係入邊係幾 decent 幾靚嘅。因為呢一個喺 Uluwatu 嘅 campsite 咧，係今年5月先啱啱起好，仲有個瑜伽場地同埋 surf skate 嘅場。界霸輪嗰啲邊藍色。今日第一日嚟到巴黎，但係我發覺我可能對大浪有少少驚。我哋就去咗一個叫 Dreamland 嘅沙灘，我哋行到去嗰個海邊，然後已經 feel 到啲浪係扯緊我哋去個海嗰度。Uluwatu 啲浪咧係真係大過我之前以往去巴黎 Seminyak、Canggu 嗰啲浪好多啦，係高好多、有力好多、壯好多啦啲浪。我係有好多下都唔夠膽穿過啲浪游出去，不過最後 Caleb 就有鼓勵下我 push 住我去咧，原來我都可以 overcome 到呢種 fear， 我個心理上都有啲安慰。我聽日就要正式係第一日嘅 surfing training 啦，我又好期待又好緊張，希望我嘅 surfing camp 嘅 progress 係咁樣上升。而家咧我哋就要去梳洗瞓覺啦，因為聽朝我哋要朝早6點半就要出發去衝浪。我哋聽日見。大家，我哋第一日就遲咗起身，個鬧鐘完全 OK， 應該係有鬧鐘有響，但係我哋完全聽唔到，所以我哋而家要快啲出門口啦，call 車跟住再翻個團。
5點喎，你鬧鐘幾點？
我校咗5點、5點3、5點半都校。
係啊，係有冇響啊？
見到佢有，應該係我哋醒唔到。
點解嘅？
因為我哋豬咁啊。Anyway， 我哋而家要快啲出門口。我哋而家自己 call 咗車就出發啦。你喺邊啊？
第一日
係啊，我哋第一日就遲咗。
我哋本身得4日，爭呢邊都3日。
其實第一日就起唔到身呢，我係超級失望啦，而且當日都好唔開心嘅，因為第一好似俾人感覺好唔 respect， 第二就係我都 miss 咗1個 session 嘅 training。落水之前呢，我哋嘅 instructor Seb 都有講解下有乜嘢要注意，同埋教我哋呢點樣喺塊板度起身。之後就正式落水啦。完咗第一堂，然後我已經有呢個佢話係巴黎 tattoo 啊。Yes！ 都有。
黃叉千做手術啊 ！Nice。I know it's so good。
我哋今朝就衝完我哋第一個 session， 咁就去咗一個好多 reef 嘅地方啦。我覺得我需要接受我係一個完全嘅新手，而且我哋今朝仲遲咗到啦，好唔好意思？As 一個 start 嚟講，我覺得有少少 fail，因為今日衝嘅時候我都上到幾次板，咁但係我自己個信心同埋覺得個表現都麻麻地，仲要整親啦。 感覺好似同 Surfer Girl 好似仲爭超級遠嘅距離。但係咧唔緊要，我哋今日只係 day one 啫，跟住晏少少我就會去參加第二個 session， 一個 pool session 啦，教我哋點樣 paddle， 教我哋點樣turtle dive， 點樣避過啲大浪出到去 line up 嗰度。Yes, we got this!
Also, do not sit close here. Like it. Sit on the center that you can learn how to read the wave. Once you see the wave, the coming, good. You like to catch it, and then after that, push a little bit, and then move backward. Keep your foot wider. Really good, yeah. Better. More fast. Okay. 2 meter, push your body up. Deep breathing, don't forget, and then drop your body to left or right, definitely. Okay? Here we go. 4 meter. 3 meter, paddle. 2 meter, push your body up. Deep breathing. Oh. Yeah. Lay down, lay down. Faster. Come on. Okay. Good. Keep your chest a little bit high. Good. Sit on your board. Right. Okay, open your foot a little bit wide. Good, good. Okay, more. Okay, one hand grab the rail. One hand paddle from front to the back. Good, good. Ooh, more fast with your foot. More fast. More. Lay down. Up. Don't look down. Oh, back. Don't look down. Eyes. Yeah. Bend the knee just a little bit more. Here we go. Okay, oh, don't look down. Oh, good.
啱啱練完個 pool session， 果然 stay 喺個 pool 度係做得好好多。嗰個 instructor 話我啲 paddle is good 啊，冇白費到我游咗咁多年水嘅心機。咗全日街，終於返到啦！我哋嚟個開箱，首先係 Quiksilver 嘅 Roxy。本身我買咗一件長袖，但係咧喺香港冇帶，所以我而家就喺 Roxy 買翻粉紅色啊又係。跟住呢一件咧係我第一件買嘅連身 surfing 嘅泳衣。哇，好靚啊！你睇個 pattern。等我可能最後1-2日嘅時候開始上手啲嘅時候，我先至着呢件去。然後咧，我就仲有買咗我手上面戴緊嘅手鏈，係有隻淺紫色嘅。然後呢個咧就係有個寶藍色嘅海星，仲有呢條橙色珠珠，同埋買翻我之前整爛咗嘅貝殼頸鏈。但係我呢一個咧有啲我覺得太大粒啦，即係着望落就好似太勁。我覺得如果細粒啲同疏少少，可能就會靚啲。我要再物色一下，就係咁。跟住就買咗一紮大紮零食。前一晚我哋就去咗 video analysis 睇翻嗰一日嘅 playback， 然後咧就睇下有乜嘢可以 improve。咁個 instructor basically 就話我太多 adjustment 啦，即係企咗起身之後，隻腳前後喺度喐下，想企翻啱嘅位，但係嗰啲位咧就令到我好難平衡到，所以我就係咁跌啦。同埋好多時候咧我都污得太低，有時仲想揾隻手咧去幫自己平衡。我哋自己練習。新買嘅 T-shirt。喂 ，wash 4米。
3、2。Oh no！ 1、2。No！ 加油！再嚟個。
點解咁難
Bend your knees a little bit. Yeah. And just feel. 睇下呢個。唔係你唔係成個人練 just 其實我 feel 我用隻腳喺度，即係我冇用咁多身嚟練。
有冇咁勁啊？早晨啊，今日 day 2，5:03。今日起到身啊，但係琴晚攰得滯，妝都未落。我而家唯一擔心就係啲水會好凍啦，同埋會再整親。但係 anyway，我哋 get ready，good luck to me。完咗 Day 2嘅 surfing session，今日我 make 咗一個大 progress， 就係由1星變咗去2星啦。因為咧，我哋就要自己 paddle out， 然後有1-2次就係自己 catch 個 wave。跟住我今日咧成功咗 make 到 left turn 同 right turn 啦，然後係真係可以喺個海度跣到幾秒鐘，嗰下真係好正咯！所以我今日心情大好，自信心爆棚。我老公喺後邊笑我。你今日覺得點啊？
我今日覺得沙士好勁，佢今日好叻，佢今日叻咗好多。見到佢識轉左識轉右，然後 pop up 咗好多次，所以 good。但係我就今日唔係好舒服，所以就玩咗一陣就冇玩。
你要食藥啦。
係，但係希望我聽日可以繼續。耶！
So, thank you very much for joining the session.
Thank you.
You're welcome. About the feedback today, Sanchi, it's our last year session, yeah? And then, if you go to other place, other country to go surfing, try to going to paddling outside. I wish today is gonna be going to 2-star. And then if you go to surfing by yourself, make sure you get one instructor going to paddling outside, and then using the board try to hardboard.
Oh, I can try hardboard.
Sure.
Yes.
And then if you want to make a more challenge, using the 7.0.
Okay. 要嚟到尾聲啦，今晚就係最後一晚喺呢個 surf camp。今日呢就係第3日嘅衝浪啦。我想講我進步咗超級多，我係基本上每一次都 pop up 起到身啦，然後加到速，再可以 make 到 turn left 或者 turn right， 全部都做到晒。跟住呢個 instructor 仲話好可惜，如果我可以留多日呢，第2日我就可以再 level up 去 2 star。我真係有啲唔開心，咁快就完。可能下次我去 surf camp 呢，我就會揀去1個禮拜，which is 可能我老公就陪唔到我㗎啊？即係你請到咁多日假咩？係咯。Anyways， 呢個 surf camp 係一個我覺得算係一個大成功啊！對於我嚟講，因為我由 day 1呢其實係冇乜信心啦，同埋唔係話好穩陣。然後去到 day 3，今日可以係我 level up 咗，我已經覺得超開心。仲要一個好消息就係我嘅 instructor 今日最後呢就同我講話，我可以轉硬嘅板咯，唔需要再用 newbie 嘅 softboard。跟住我就覺得哇 yes！ 我真係可以喺3日內 make 到呢個 progress，我覺得已經好滿意。作為呢個衝浪新手，呢一個第一次呢個 surf camp，我覺得體驗非常之好啦。唯獨有啲不遺憾呢，就係我老公頭暈身㷫，然後仲要而家隻腳傷咗啦，唔知係咪有骨折。咁我哋就返香港就即刻入急症睇一睇。呢個 surf camp 我嘅目標都達成咗啦，我都會好期待下一次嘅 surf camp，再帶大家一齊同我去衝浪。下次呢，我就可以試下，可能擺個 GoPro 喺心口呢，咁就可以俾大家見到個 POV。Anyways, that's all for today's video。如果你睇到呢度最後，好多謝你，因為應該係一個好長嘅片。如果你睇到呢度呢，就 comment 呢個 emoji 衝浪嘅 emoji。我哋就下條片再見啦，記得 subscribe and follow me on Instagram。Bye。